Okay, so the first step to doing your gel nails is to rough up each nail bed. The reason we do this is so that the nail polish will adhere to your nail bed. If it's not roughed up, then the nail bed is slick and the nail polish would peel right off after we were done. So take your file and rough up each nail. The next step is to apply pH bond to each nail. This further increases the chance that your nail polish won't just peel off. Now that your nails are prepped, go ahead and apply your base coat. Now it's time to apply your colored gel polish. You'll need at least one coat depending on your color. I used 2 in this video, and I also used 3 on the white nail. Make sure you cure your nails in between each coat for 2 minutes in the light. Now if you want to add nail art, you can do that. I did some simple stripes on the white nail, which was on the ring fingers of each hand. Then cure it in the light for 2 minutes and apply your top coat. Curing your top coat in the light for another 2 minutes. Now to make your nails shiny, just take your cotton ball and soak it in alcohol and wipe off each nail with a quick wipe. The final step that I did here is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I like to. It's just add some cuticle oil to your cuticles. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Leave us a like and a comment down below and share it with your friends.